What you see here is a set of canvas boards in different sizes, and these were part of a shipment from Arteza. Now, Arteza is a company that produces craft and art materials, and I received some wonderful watercolors from them before, and I did make a video on those. Now, this time I received some of their acrylic paints, and I picked two of their small sets. So I have the typical acrylic paint here and also the metallic version, as I want to try them out together. Now they of course have much larger sets and a big variety of colors and shades. So please don't forget to check out their shop. There will be a link below in my description box. There will also be a discount code and any other information you might need. Now I will absolutely use these canvas boards in my upcoming projects, but for today I opted for a stretched canvas. This was, by the way, part of my last shipment, also from Arteza. So I start by using some of the non-metallic paints first and trying out the green tones. I want to learn about the shades that come in, their consistency, how opaque they are, how good they work with water, and so on. So for the purpose, I will be creating a very simple painting. I will try to use as many colors as I can, and if I have to specify something, it will be in the captions. If I have to explain something, I will of course talk to you, but in the meantime, please just enjoy watching me put this together and enjoy some music. I talk to you in a wee bit. So after I added the black stamps with my palette knife, I also added some white lines right next to it, but that kind of got lost in my editing, I guess. And next, just some very loose outlines with the black pen to give these flowers a bit more definition. Even though I mainly started this painting to try out my new paints, I may as well give it some finishing touches. So aside from the outlining here, I will also add some scribbled lettering to the bottom, a few white dots in the center of the flowers, and I finish up the canvas by giving it a black edging. Working with these acrylic paints was quite fun. As you can see, the colors are very vibrant, and the metallic paints, even though I mixed them with the ordinary paints, kept their shine. They all mix well together. I like the way they interact with the water. They did great with the drips and the sponging and so on. Now, of course, I'm a mixed media artist, and I very rarely use my paints just for straight painting. But to me, this is a nice little set and a great place to get to know their paints. Arteza also always comes up with new products, so if you're interested, go below in my box for all the info you might need. There's also a discount code for you to use. So thank you so much for visiting with me today and watching me play with my new paints. I see you soon again. Bye bye for now.